CESU 6, the Schools Division Superintendent of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Principal for the district in charge, Dr. Myra M. Lauranal, Sir Alberto G. Bunsobre, Principal for our Principal 1, our confirming officer. Mr. Edwin Pagia, Principal 2, Barangay Officials. The teaching staff of Aguinaldo Elementary School, parents and guardians, visitors, classmates, friends, good afternoon once again. If one takes a closer look at the achievement of the achieving person, two distinct virtues pop up: perseverance and hard work. Our guest of honor today is the living idiom of pioneering spirit and willingness. If you ask me why, well, it's because poverty for her is not the hindrance in achieving her goals. In fact, it made her the reason to dream grand and aim high. That's why I am very proud chosen to introduce her. She was born on December 1, 1991 at her native land, Aguinaldo Naga, Zamboanga del Sur, the daughter of Mr. Ronelo Habili and Mrs. Lourdes Habili. She was the eldest of the 5 siblings. Proud to say that her first school was Aguinaldo Primary School, in which our beloved Aguinaldo Elementary School at present. During her grade 1 in the year 1999 and continued her elementary grades at Naga Central Elementary School as achiever. She finished her secondary at Naga National High School in the year 2008 as third honorable mention, loyalty awardee, Best NTLE, and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo awardee. By then, she took her tertiary degree at Mindanao State University Main Campus, Marawi City, taking up Bachelor of Science in Physical Education, major in dance, minor in sports. She is clearly a student with full of enthusiasm because of the achievements and awards she received on her tertiary education, as such as Dean's Lister from 3rd to 4th year, overall chairman for the majority of college events, Oxford Senior Advisor, Best Practice Teacher Community Service Awardee, Academic Excellence Awardee, Best Thesis Cum Laude. At present, she is an Instructor 1 in College of Arts and Sciences, Department Physical Education at La Salle University, Ozamis City, a content creator, a publisher, and an organizer. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you our guest speaker, the woman of virtues and values, no other than Mrs. Lorme Habili Iso.